This is KustIQ, AI-powered company intelligence for any B2B team. RevOps, customer success, sales, consulting. This replaces hours of manual account research with a 60-second AI pipeline. Let me show you. No sign-up needed. I paste 3 domains, Notion, Datadog, and Deel. Add context about what I sell and hit profile. The engine scrapes each website, runs search queries, and classifies everything through a 6-stage pipeline. Vertical, segment, account tier, churn risk, growth signals, confidence score, all structured, all automatic. Real-time analysis from public web data, not a static database. Here's the full dashboard. Every profiled company lives here, searchable, filterable, sortable by any column. You can see at a glance how accounts break down by vertical, segment, and risk level. Inside each profile, business model, company scale, target market, pricing model, detected tools, competitive landscape, and a market intelligence narrative. Every profile has a confidence score. This is what an analyst builds in a day. Let me switch to a full account with real data. With HubSpot connected, importing companies is 2 clicks. Once profiled, 15 fields sync back automatically. Your CRM stays enriched without touching a spreadsheet. This is the outreach pipeline. Define your ideal customer once, verticals, regions, qualification signals, and the AI discovers matching companies automatically. From a handful of seeds, it discovered dozens of prospects across 4 phases. Discover, research, qualify, and enrich. Each prospect scored for ICP fit with buying signals and pain signals. Open a prospect, and you get decision-maker contacts. Name, title, verified email, LinkedIn. Ready for outreach. That's KustIQ. From a single domain to full company intelligence in 60 seconds, and from 1 seed to dozens of qualified prospects with contacts. Try it today.